lovely box. It's huge. And here's the card. And this month's theme is sunshine. Okay. Saturday Skin Pore Clarifying Toner retails for $30. We just received the face toner in BoxyCharm previously, and it's pretty good. It's this one right here, and it's pretty good. Ooh, I like when the toners have like what's it called? A foggy glass. I don't know what it's called. This packaging is so cute. Look at that. I need my tweezers to open this. And I just had coffee, so that's why I'm shaky. Shot in my eye. I don't smell any like scent on it yet. Maybe like a little strawberry lemonade. I'm not sure. Ooh, stings a little bit. Ooh, that stings. Cusillo Natural Milk and Honey Cuticle Revitalizing Oil. This retails for $18. So this is for your nails, which is awesome. And the packaging is so cute. Wow, that smells good. That smells really good. I'm just gonna keep this on my vanity. It's cute, and so I remember to oil my cuticles. Wow, that smells so good. Rima Hollywood Iconic Face Kit, and this retails for $45. So I'm probably honestly gonna go eat something because I'm so shaky, and then come back into my brows. Bronzer, a translucent powder, 2 shades of blush, 2 shades of highlighter, 4 shades of eyeshadows, and a brush to complete a look. So basically, if you're traveling and you don't want to take a bunch of palettes, you could just take this, I guess. But I don't know. Okay, so the next thing in the box is this. And this is the Morphe and Manny MUA Glam Palette. This retails for $20. So yeah, I'm probably going to use this, and maybe in a separate video I'll do something using this. So I used the hair mask, and this one it retails for, let's see, for $24. I think for $24 it could be a lot bigger, but it does smell amazing. Like when it's in your hair, it smells so coconut, like so coconutty, and really, really good. So yeah, I did like it. I just wish that it was bigger, you know. But you know, it like a small amount does work really good in your hair. So yeah, maybe if it was just a little bigger. But anyways, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a beautiful day, beautiful night wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next one.